You like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it. Hey people. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I have the weapons out, you know. That's because today I am going to do something I've never done before. Okay, so today I'm making a video on my first oatmeal because I've never had oatmeal before. I know, shocker, wow. Yeah, I get that a lot. But like, honestly, I feel like I could make a whole series on videos of food I've never had before because I wasn't born, like, I was born in Africa, people. I was born in Nigeria. So I haven't had a lot of normal, well, you would call normal food. I've never had pumpkin pie before. I've never had Pop-Tarts. I only tried peanut butter and jam a month ago. For the very first time ever. I only tried that a month ago. So yeah, I've never tried oatmeal before. My mom bought oatmeal for my sister and I'm going to see what this thing is. This thing that people eat in the morning. This thing that I have heard of, but we just ignored. My family ignored for several years. Yeah, just speaking of which, it's not that weird that I've never had these foods before because there's a bunch of white people on here who've never tried jollof rice or plantain. Okay, let's go on this journey together. Let's experience my experience. Okay, so I have the regular oatmeal, but like I'm gonna try the oatmeal by itself and then I'm gonna put the strawberries and honey on it and see how it tastes. But I want to try it by itself first so I can really get the je ne sais quoi of it all. You know, I can really understand it and breathe it in and soak it in before I add all the little extra fancy extra stuff, you know. So let's see. Oh, this is a variety pack. We have maple brown sugar, apples, and cinnamon and spice. Which one do I want to try? I don't know. Let's try the apples and cinnamon, just for fun. Or maybe I should just grab. Let me just grab a random one. Oh my god. Bruh, I picked out the one that I wanted. That was not planned. I swear to goodness, that was random. I said I wanted to eat apples and cinnamon today. And then I closed my eyes. And what did I reach out to get? Thank you. How do we cook this thingy? So it says, get step 1, empty packet into microwave safe bowl. Oh, better not. Don't rip the instructions. Oh, wow, that's oaty. Ooh, I like the smell of it. It smells very good. Nigerian reaction of what oatmeal tastes like. This is going to be my first time, so it's going to be very interesting. All this Oyibo food that they're always eating. Okay, add a half cup of water or milk. I'm gonna go with water because I don't feel like washing. I'm too lazy. I don't feel like washing anything right now. Half a cup of water. Half a cup. Half a cup of water and stirring. Oh, that does not look nice. That's interesting. Wow. Okay. Step 3. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Good morning, good morning. It's fun to stay up late. Good morning to you. Alright, this is happening. Let me get the strawberries and honey. So big. Okay. What? Wow. Okay. Wait, after 2 minutes, look at mine. This? So, okay. It says stir, so I'm stirring. Does not look any better. Okay. This bowl's a bit big. I couldn't find any other smaller microwavable size bowls. It's mixed. Now we leave it for 2 minutes. And we get the strawberries and honey just on standby. I want to have a bite of it alone first and then add the goodies, you know. Chop, chop, chop the strawberries. Chop, chop, chop the strawberries. Chop, chop, chop the strawberries. Disappoint my father. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so it's time to try. It's time. It's time. That's interesting. It's like, here, let me get in. It's very mushy. It's kind of like regurgitated food, almost like baby food. I don't know. I mean, like, I like, it's not that I don't like mushy food. Like, I like mashed potatoes and what else is mushy? And I even like making Rice Krispies and leaving them in milk till they get really, really soggy. Like, I like mushy food, but this is... I don't know, it has bounced back. It's like, I don't know. Okay, now let's try it the fancy way. Adding the strawberries and the honey, because a bunch of people do that. Ooh. Okay. I ate some of it, but I just added the strawberries and honey now. Taste test 2. Oatmeal with strawberries and honey. Let's see the improvement, if there is any. This is so interesting. It's like, wow. I don't know if that's like a good wow or... The honey definitely makes it better. This is so weird. I'm still like, it's still like, is it good or is it bad? My mouth still can't like, I still can't like, I'm still on like a fence. I don't know if it's not bad, but like it's not good, you know? I don't know. Okay, for my review, I have to say that was the weirdest thing ever. It was, ugh. It's not bad. It just feels very weird in my mouth. And like, I wasn't like eager to finish it. Like, I was gonna finish it because it wasn't awful, like, it wasn't gross. I wasn't gonna, like, throw up or anything. It wasn't, like, awful. It wasn't so bad, so I was like, I'm gonna finish it. I'm not gonna waste it. But I wasn't eager to finish it, and I was like, I like to eat food. Once I try something, I wanna, like, I'm gonna eat and eat and eat, but that was like, I know, I'm not so hungry. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give that, like, a 4? With the strawberries, honestly, I think I liked it better without the strawberries and honey. Just maybe a little bit. Maybe without the strawberries and honey, maybe it was at, like, a 4.5. But, like, just, yeah, it's a 4. So that was my first time eating oatmeal, and you know, I shared that with you guys because I'm bringing you guys along my journey, bringing you my life. And yeah, if you like the video, like it, comment down below things you haven't eaten that maybe other people think is weird. Like, how come you haven't eaten that? That's so weird. Gasp moment. Subscribe, like, and just thank you for watching. Bye.